Wednesday, September 20th, 5:17 p.m. New York time. Federal Reserve came out today and did their statement with leaving interest rates unchanged. They paused. They did not lower them, as many knuckleheads tried to convince the market they would. No, they didn't. So let's look at the price action of the broad market. Charts don't lie. We have many media hosts potentially talking nonsense. First, going to look at the weekly, because today being Wednesday, we're halfway through the week. And I look at the higher time frame as well as the intraday time frame. So we're looking here at the S&P 500 futures. For the week, it's red, lower low, lower high. It's trending down. And your yield, new high. Yep, green, trending up, higher high, higher low. Yields go higher, interest rates go higher. US dollar index, higher high, higher low than the prior week. Got it? Equity index trending down, yields and dollar trending up. Middle of the week. Crude oil as well, higher high, higher low. Yeah, it's red back inside the prior week, but still higher high, higher low. Made a new high for the year. Gold, green, higher high, higher low. And big wick forming on the top. There's a pump and dump into here. Bitcoin, green, higher high, higher low, already has rejection. And natural gas, higher high, higher low. Big consolidation still here. Big demand zone down here. Silver, green, higher high, higher low, and already rejection of here. Makes sense. So I would continue looking for opportunities to trade bearish in some of those metals. And the euro, red. Did make a higher high, higher low. Look at that rejection. So there we go. On the weekly time frames, strong US dollar king, and yields green. Top three financial instruments, to me, are the most important to be situational awareness. S&P 500 stock index, 10-year yields, and US dollar index. Let's go take it to the intraday time frame on the daily. S&P 500 daily, lower high, lower low, a huge sell-off. So again, this gap, this orange line, we had a gap up there. Yesterday, we tested it, rejected it, went back up, making that bullish pin bar, faked out a lot of people. I did not put a bullish swing trade on. Thank goodness. I just didn't feel comfortable putting any trade on for a swing trade going into the Federal Reserve day, which was today. Now, the old knucklehead of me probably would have bought some call options and hoping for a pop-up this morning or done a bull put spread down here. Either way, they would have been failures. Happy camper, good money management, sat in my hands and didn't give a bad trade to others, nor took a bad trade. Yep. So let's remove this. It's no longer valid. Zoom out a little bit here. What we're coming into a swing low, which was the low of September. Very important potential trade ideas. Yep, retest. Watching this for a trigger for potential trade idea either way. And your yield, yep, new high for the year. Zoom out. That's strongly bull. Double check this on my weekly. Just to make sure. Yep, I need an update on the weekly too. The US dollar, look at the daily. Higher high. Big swing. Test at the bottom here. Buyers stepped in. Still buyers seeking dollar for security. Safe haven currency. Two things again. Interest rates go higher. Typically the US dollar goes higher. Fair in the planet, people typically gravitate towards one of the safe haven currencies, that being the US dollar. And crude oil for the day, red, lower, low, lower, high, coming off the high of the year. So right now, US dollar is also helping to push this lower. Crude oil, right? Got it? Commodities are priced in dollars. But again, crude oil is very strong. So I'll be looking for the opportunities to reload on the weakness down here, looking for that opportunity to reload on the bullish. And gold, no surprise. It was a pump and dump since yesterday, this morning, and huge rejection. Yeah, metals. Bitcoin, inside candle for the day. Natural gas, you had a sell-off and came back inside here. Be looking to buy on the retracements, buy on weakness, on bullish energy. And look at that yesterday. Tested that swing high, rejected it. Okay. So that was the fake out. Now we're looking to come back on weakness to reload bullish. Got it. Selling naked puts, UNG. Silver, not surprised, just like gold. And the euro, look at that. Pump and dump. So let's take it intraday on the 4 hour. Each candle will be a 4 hour now. In the past 5 days on the S&P 500 futures, we tested this gap. Let's zoom out. See. So here's that gap. It gapped up. Tested it yesterday. Rejected it. Going to remove it. It's no longer valid. Broke below it today. Extremely bearish. Couldn't even test the midpoint of that one. Look where we are down here now. US dollar came, closed below, big round numbers, 44.50. Coming to another prior swing low. Let's zoom out. So this area, swing low, demand zone, prior buyers stepped in here. Look for that potential. Prior buyers for pop, for a day trade, swing trade. Yep. And I'm still looking for this gap to be filled too. So this panic selling, not rational selling, it's giving me the opportunity to look for trade setups. Look at the bonds, 10-year yields. Sorry. A lot of charts need to be updated. We had a huge upside there. And US dollar, huge trading range. So looking at this candle, engulfing, bullish engulfing, sellers shutoffs. All these shorts are trapped. They're wrong. If they're still in the trade, they're wrong. And if it continues going higher, they would be under margin requirements. Either bring up more cash to the table or they have to close their positions, most likely as losers. Dollar strong. Crude oil. Big consolidation. Gold, big dump. There you go. Bitcoin couldn't even take out the prior day's high. So natural gas, really tight consolidation for most of the day. There we go. Silver on the 4 hour. Euro. So by just looking at these three, S&P 500, 10-year yield. And you see the huge price ranges on these? The most active products today. Again, that's why I focus mostly on trading these.